Here's the Eden 18 nozzle water sprinkler, supposed to cover up to over 3,000 square feet. And it's got this little thing where you can adjust the direction. It's just like this little slider. It's got this little quick release right here. Pop it off, pop it out. Right here is what attaches to your water hose. You could just like click it back on there real quick. It's got this pin right here, but you can clean out your nozzles whenever they get stopped up. Put that in there and clean out your nozzles. Store it right in your water sprinkler. On the end of your water hose, you can just twist this on. It's got a little quick release thing, so you can see that little thing as you pull this in and out. This right here does unscrew. There's a filter on the inside of there. There's the filter right there, so you can pull that filter out and even clean this. These are the exact same, and you just get an extra one. So you can just, screw this on here right here, and then you can lock it into place. So if you pull right here, you can see this is how you put this on the nozzle. You put this on just like this, put it on there, pull that forward, and then it'll lock in place. I've got this little slider. I'm gonna set it, let's see, we go that way with it, we can go this way with it. It doesn't just go rock back and forth more than that or more than this. You can just change it. Okay, I've got this on full blast. Let's just see how, whoop, I am getting wet. Okay, that's quite a bit of spray right there. All right, it's going all the way over. So I can use that thing to adjust how far over it goes. Okay, I've made this a lot more narrow this time, so it shouldn't go as far left and right. So we're gonna see how it does. So there it goes. It's going this way a little bit, but it shouldn't go that far. Probably right about there. Then it's gonna come back. It is spraying out pretty far, at least 20, 30, maybe 40 feet all the way across.